voltage on the gas controller. I tested it, so the board is working perfectly. So the heat is on. Initially, I thought it might have been the gas controller. When I checked the voltage at it and I turned it on and off, kind of just turned everything on and off. It reset itself. So looks like it's working again for now. I'm just watching it a little bit to see if the flame sensor is bad or if it will shut itself back off. So far it's doing well. And the flame sensor looks like it's in really good shape. So I doubt that's going to be any problem. Set all the safety switches, make sure that they weren't blocking any signal. Pressure switch seems to be working okay. Everything else is in good shape, it looks like. I think it's going to keep working for now. I would just, if the gas controller shuts off again, then we would have to replace that. That would probably be what's going on, because everything else seems to be functioning. Alright, so it's good for now. Monitor it further. Sometimes the gas controllers get stuck every now and again. So, but if it sticks, more than again, we'll just replace it. That'll require taking all it off. Taking the pipes off here. And on another note, I just discovered that the filter had just got changed last night as well, and that's one reason it will shut down when it's this dirty. It will automatically shut down because it can't breathe anymore, and then everything kind of has to be reset after that sometimes. So she replaced a new filter there, so it can breathe now. So that's brand new. So that could have definitely caused that whole problem. So I think you're good now.